the only available option for doing restores on the Mac is the Apple approved way, essentially. So let's say you've got a machine that has fallen off the back of a bus or whatever, and you've got your data backed up, but you need to restore a new machine so that it looks just like the previous machine. The way that you would do that would be to install the operating system on the new machine, which it should come with the latest version of Monterey now installed on the machine. And then in that installation process, boot it up, and it will ask you if you want to migrate your data or if you want to create a new user or what have you. If that machine is enrolled in MDM or in Apple Device Management, what will happen is in that installation process or in that first boot up process, it will also register itself with the MDM server and install profiles and other settings from the MDM server that are, as part of that that initial configuration. At that point, you have as much of a blank slate as you can get with a Mac, and it's at that point you would then restore the data from the user and from installing applications and whatnot. You can't do, at least with the modern Macs, you can't overwrite the operating system, so you can't restore from an image to where you're adding in the various patches and things to the operating system and all the rest, because the drive partitions are such that there are sections of it that are read-only. So you have access to restore the user and their data and then configuration, but then the operating system itself is basically forbidden from you changing it.